Hello everyone, I am the Science Rocker and today we will be dismantling this phone and seeing what is inside it. So let's start the video. This phone was launched in India in the year 2003 and the model name of this phone is Nokia 2300, and that's why this phone is so bulky and is not having a single camera also. So now to open it further, we need to apply pressure in this part. And then we have opened it, and this is the membrane of the phone. It is laid on the top of the buttons, so it is easy to press the buttons. And this is the frame of the phone, top frame of the phone. And this thing is also the frame of the phone. So now I am unscrewing these screws, this and this and this and this and this. So I have unscrewed them, and now uh, the thing that we are having on the top of the phone is the LCD and the buzzer on top of it, and the place for and a frame for the buttons. And now we are having the buttons and the motherboard on the other side. And this is the back frame of the phone, and this is a motor. This is a vibrating motor. Whenever a call comes to us, then this motor vibrates. So this is the metal part which was at the back, and this is also a plastic frame for support. So while making this video, I thought of comparing this phone from other phones like 10 years after this phone was launched. So the first phone is that I dismantled just now, and the second phone is a phone 10 years after this phone, means it is of 2013, and it is having a back camera and a front camera also. And the third phone is of 2016 and is having a front camera and a back camera, and both of them are touchscreen, and the size of the phone is also increasing with the time. So if I compare a 2021 phone with these phones, it will be even bigger than this. Here the size of the phone was increasing, but the thickness of the phone is decreasing with time. You can see in this photo also. So my one more observation is that the number of screws are also increasing with time in a phone. So in the 2003 phone in the that I am having, there are only 6 screws, and in the second phone there are 8 to 10 screws at the back only. Inside it also there are more screws, but at the back only 8 to 10 screws are there. And in the third phone there are 15 to 16 screws at the back only. Thanks for watching the video.